A lot of cash advance apps reject people without direct deposit. That's a problem for gig workers because app income from Uber, DoorDash, Instacart, or freelance platforms doesn't always look like a normal paycheck. By the end of this, you'll know 5 apps that work better for gig income and what to check before applying. Here's the direct answer. If you're a gig worker without payroll deposits, apps that analyze bank activity instead of employer data are usually your best option. First is Dave. Dave is one of the easiest for gig workers because it focuses heavily on bank history, not just payroll. If your account shows regular deposits, even from apps, it can still qualify you. That makes it flexible for rideshare drivers and freelancers. Next is Clio. Clio checks spending patterns and balance behavior. It doesn't rely as heavily on traditional employment records. That's useful if your income changes every week. Gig workers usually fit that pattern. Third is Albert. Albert looks at account behavior, recurring deposits, and spending habits. It's another strong option if your money comes from multiple sources instead of one employer. The budgeting tools also help smooth out irregular income. Now, for the more advanced options. Empower is built around linked banking data and consistent cash flow. If you're making regular transfers from gig platforms into your bank, Empower can sometimes work even without formal payroll. Then there's MoneyLion. MoneyLion mixes cash advances with banking and credit tools. It's useful if you want more than emergency cash, because you can also track spending and manage bills inside one app. For gig workers juggling multiple apps, that's helpful. Here's the important part. Apps like Earnin and Clover usually work better for standard employees because they often depend more on payroll verification or stable paycheck patterns. For gig workers, the strongest apps are usually the ones reading raw bank data. That means your bank account matters more than your job title. Keep your balance stable. Avoid overdrafts, when possible. Make deposits consistent, even if the amounts change. That gives these apps more confidence in your account. Quick recap. Dave and Clio are strongest for flexible approval. Albert and Empower work well if your account history is steady. And MoneyLion is best if you want extra finance tools with your advance. Your next step is simple. Connect the bank account where your gig income lands and compare how each app reviews your cash flow. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more app breakdowns built for freelancers and gig workers.